So I gather that you clicked on this video because you're looking for some new mobile filmmaking gear to take your iPhone videos to the next level. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I am going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite mobile filmmaking gear that you can grab right now for your iPhone and start making better videos. As you guys know, I am a huge advocate for mobile filmmaking. Carrying around less gear while still creating high quality, entertaining videos is every video producer's dream, and going mobile is a great way to make that dream a reality. From filming high-res 4K video to editing it all together and sharing it wherever you want, it is simply incredible how much you can get done with just a phone nowadays. So with that said, let us not waste any more time and get to sharing my favorite iPhone filmmaking gear that I use and recommend. The first piece of gear that I use is Rode's Vlogger Kit for iOS. Don't let the name fool you because this kit is not just for vloggers. It comes with all of the filmmaking essentials: a microphone, a light, diffusion filters, and even a phone mount and tripod. Rode makes some of the best microphones in the industry, and the star of the show in this kit is that super compact, convenient microphone that plugs directly into your iPhone. The only downside with it is that you do have to remove the case on your phone for it to work, but other than that, this $149 kit has all of the essentials that you need to take your iPhone videos to the next level. If you don't need all of this gear or want to spend $149 on the Vlogger Kit, a cheaper option would be to grab a Manfrotto Pixie Mini tripod and a phone mount with cold shoe. This is a great inexpensive way to get the same unique shots with your iPhone. You also have that cold shoe so you can mount any light or microphone that you want, so it's a very versatile, inexpensive option. We're going to talk about a few lighting and microphone options in a bit. The next piece of gear that I use on a near daily basis with my iPhone 12 Pro is the MOZA Mini MX gimbal. This is a 3-axis gimbal that provides super stable video footage for only $89. It seems a little too good to be true, but the Mini MX delivers in its performance. Having spent about a year with it now, I found it to be one of the best phone gimbals that I've ever used. It's lightweight, folds up to be super compact, and offers up to 20 hours of runtime. For the price, you would be hard pressed to find a more reliable gimbal for your iPhone. There's a lot to love about the Mini MX, especially the smooth pans and time lapses that you can make with it. This gimbal will single-handedly help you take your iPhone videos to a whole new level. If a gimbal isn't up your alley, another cool recommendation that I have is the PEVO Pod. This little pod can mount on your tabletop or virtually any tripod and act as your personal cameraman. Simply mount your iPhone on top and this little pod tracks your movement as you move around. It is super cool. You can also use this little thing for motion time lapses, filming fitness videos, dance videos, and just all of that cool stuff. It's a handy little tool. I do have to give a huge shout out to Webs, who introduced me to this PEVO Pod by giving it to me as an anniversary gift last year. She always finds the coolest things. The next set of gear that I use is a Moment photo case and wide angle lens. Moment creates some awesome gear for creatives. Their iPhone photo cases and lenses have been around for a while now, but if you've ever tried them, you're gonna know that they just add a whole new dynamic to any project that you're working on. My favorite Moment lens is easily the 18mm wide angle lens. It's wider than the standard lens on most iPhones, but isn't as wide as the built-in ultra wide lens on newer iPhones. It's a good middle ground between the two. Aside from the wide angle, Moment also has a variety of other focal lengths available from macro to telephoto and more. Once you get one of these lenses, trust me, you're gonna want to get out there and try all of them, and all you need to do that is one of their photo cases with the lens mount to make that happen. From there, the possibilities are endless. When it comes to microphones, there are endless options to choose from. They come in all shapes and sizes. In my mobile setup, I alternate between the Rode Video Micro, Rode Smart Lav Plus, and Hollyland Lark 150 Lav mic system. All of these microphones serve a purpose for specific projects. The Video Micro is a super compact general purpose microphone that adds high quality audio to any setup. It's one of those things that's just great to leave attached to your rig at all times. On the flip side, the Smart Lav Plus and the Lark 150 are clip-on lapel microphones that focus more on your voice rather than what's going on around you. Lav mics are just great for vlogging, creating YouTube videos, and also things like interviews. The Smart Lav Plus is a cheaper wired lav built for mobile phones. The Lark 150, however, is a little more robust. It's an AirPod style, completely wireless professional microphone system that has 2 transmitters and a receiver. Do note though that no matter what type of external microphone you use with your iPhone, you are going to need an inexpensive TRS to TRRS S patch cable for any microphone that isn't made for an iPhone. You're also likely going to need an audio dongle if your iPhone doesn't have a headphone jack, just an FYI. As far as lighting goes, the best compact light that you can get at the moment is the Aputure MC RGB light. Not only is it highly compact, but it also offers a wide range of lighting options built right in, from normal warm and cool colors to RGB colors to a number of presets and effects. Aputure made a fantastic compact light here in the MC that pairs very well with any mobile filmmaking setup. It also charges via USB-C and has built-in wireless charging for added flexibility. I literally use this little thing for every single video that I make here on my channel. It is a handy little tool. And lastly, the case that I use to store all of my iPhone filmmaking gear is the Peak Design 3-liter everyday sling. Peak Design makes some of my favorite production gear, and their smallest sling bag is an excellent option that can hold all of your iPhone gear in one place. It can comfortably fit the MOZA Mini MX gimbal, Hollyland Lark 150 mic, Aputure MC light, and pretty much everything that I mentioned here on this list, give or take a few things. This sling bag is a clown car for gear. Not to mention, if you have a smaller mirrorless camera, it's great for holding all of that gear as well. It's just an excellent overall travel sling bag. If the 3-liter is a little too small for you, Peak Design does also have larger options as well. So there you have it, guys, my favorite iPhone filmmaking gear that I use and recommend. All of these accessories will no doubt help you take your mobile videos to the next level. If you're looking for links to any or all the gear that I featured in this video, I've included links to everything that I'm using in the description box down below. If you have any mobile filmmaking gear that you use and recommend, I would love to know in the comments box down below. Not only will it help me find cool new things, but it will also help your fellow mobile filmmakers find cool things to use as well. There is so much cool tech out there nowadays, and this is not even scratching the surface. I'm pretty sure I don't even know about half the stuff that's out there, so if you guys are using anything cool, let me know in the comments below. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!